Jay, make your moves.
Let me call and see who's in charge, cause ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no. Hello?
Thank you for calling Nike. How may I help you?
Yes, you can help me because there's rumors going around about a certain Jordan 1 expected to be released in early 2025. It's called the Jordan 1 Reimagined Breads, and people are talking some craziness, like delusional. What the f? Saying that they'll be retailing for like $250. Do you know anything about that?
So yes, that is correct. The Jordan 1 Reimagined Bread will retail at $250.
Hold on. I feel so disrespected. So you just told me straight up to never ever buy another Nike or Jordan brand shoe because y'all are just
No, that's not what I said. The Jordan 1 Reimagined Bread will retail at $250.
Nah. Same thing, bruh. I'm done, bruh. We gotta talk, y'all. YouTube family. Man, who is in charge? What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Jay here today to chop it up with y'all, man. I got an unboxing of a shoe that I told you I had to get my hands on those. I got them locked in for the summer. I will be throwing them on soon, as well as some madness going on, man. We gonna talk about it all over here today, man. Before we dive into it, I need the engagement level on 10. I need it on 10 times 10. I need it on 100. Yes, we keep 100 over here, man. Look, if you guys are watching this video, if you hear me right now, open up your phone. Like I said, if you hear me, if you are watching, scroll down, hit that thumbs up, y'all. I need y'all to go crazy on the thumbs up on this one for your boy Jay. Look, man, if y'all thought that intro was funny, you know what I'm saying? If you found any humor in it, man, make sure y'all thumbs it up and comment down below. But yeah, man, I had to dig in my bag. Shout out to the wifey. That was her doing her telecom thing, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you for calling Nike.
Her phone skills, whatever you want to call it, man. But shout out to the wifey. But yeah, man, look, today I do want to talk to you guys about an in particular shoe that is releasing in 2025 that we have gotten some rumors about, and I wonder if that rumor comes with a little bit of extras, because it has got to for what they trying to get from y'all. But before we dive into it, I did tell you guys that I do want to show you guys something that I recently picked up. Before I get into that, I gotta let you guys know about the best way, the only way to go and travel. Woo! Appreciate that, man. In the words of Lil Wayne, y'all, my leather so soft, bang, y'all. Look, Sole Premise, y'all, they are the only way, by far, the only way for you guys to travel this summer, this winter, whatever time, whatever the occasion, y'all. Back to school is coming up. They have several bags that you or your child or anyone can get to get them straight, y'all. This right here is the luxurious leather duffel. As you can see, man, this joint got that nice, bro, it look like a premium Timberland boot, you know what I'm saying? Or some Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year, something premium, you know what I'm saying? But take a look at that, y'all. These right here are going for great prices right now over on Sole Premise. You can get almost half off on one of these bags using my promo code JayTheSneakerGuy. Everything is linked below. Shout out to everyone who has caught bags, y'all. I know the feedback is gonna start coming in, y'all, because y'all went crazy. I have been seeing everybody tagging me in their new bags and sending me pictures of their new bags. I told you. I've been told you, but glad that y'all finally see for yourself. But this bag right here is the duffel. Of course, it holds a lot of different things in here, y'all. I recently took this bag out to shoot a video, which y'all will be seeing soon. It's already shot, but seeing by the picture, y'all see what shoes your boy did a video for, man. But don't sleep, cop your Sole Premise bag today, man. They have several styles, several colors to choose from. Go ahead, tap in. I have a link for the website down below, as well as with that link, I think the discount code will be automatically applied. So either use the link or use promo code JayTheSneakerGuy at checkout. Trust me, you will not regret it, man. Get yourself a bag and you will have many more to come, y'all. But yes, outside of that, y'all, I do want to show you guys a recent pickup, and yeah, let's get right into it. Woo! Appreciate that, homie. Bang, man. Shout out to EC Godson, man. Shout out to him. He sent your boy over this pill, and yo, man, he done got me right, y'all. retail. And this is a shoe that I showed y'all on the channel a while back, and I told y'all, I was like, bro, those are dope. I ended up seeing them again. They didn't have my size, and I hit him up, or he hit me up. He was like, yo, we got them out here at my store. I think he works at Foot Locker. He was like, I got you. Great price, and he said I'll ship them to you overnight, etc., etc. And I got the package, man. So shout out to EC Godson over there on the ground, man. He's a member of the fam, man. Big salute to him. But I did pick up a pair for the summer, y'all. I need to throw these on ASAP, y'all. And I got a couple other ones dead stock that I need to go ahead and start wearing. But it does come in the black box, and you know what life we are repping, y'all. Yes, that low life, y'all. Bang! So all over black box right here does read Air Jordan 1 low, color blocking is white, wolf gray, midnight navy. Told you guys I'm gonna compare this to another shoe that I have, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'll be showing you guys these as well as another shoe, popping it open. It is no secret, I guess that they are officially calling these the midnight navy low lives. Bang! Yes sir, yes sir, man. Shout out to my guy, man, EC Godson, man. I appreciate you for the live, dog. These are getting told. Like I said, man, I seen these in California for the first time, y'all. So it seems like things release like on the West Coast first, and then it starts trickling over here to the East. But this is a pair right here that I had to have, y'all. Like I said, I did a double take, saw them at the mall in Atlanta, and they didn't have my size. They sold out, and I see why they sold out, because they are just dope, man. But bang, here you have them, y'all, the Jordan 1 low midnight navies. Now it's a couple shoes that I can compare these with, y'all. I'm gonna pull out two shoes, one of which is the Jordan 1 high midnight navies. Bang, yes sir. In which I literally have like 5 pairs of these left, y'all. Y'all wiped me out. Y'all went crazy. Shout out to everybody who caught pairs of these, man. If you guys want them, maybe 8 through 13, somewhere in there. I might be missing a size or two, but send me a DM over at JTSG Closet. I was going retail crazy on these. So retail plus shipping to your door. You will get these in a day or two. Fast. Like I said, shout out to everybody who copped them, because y'all know what time it is with these fire shoe. But I do have a couple left, so send me a DM or send me an email over at JTSG Closet if you are anything from an 8 through a 13. I'll let you know what I have available. I know I got 12s for sure, but I'll let you know what all I have available. But outside of that, y'all, look, man, take a look at it, y'all. Very close looking shoes, and these are both midnight navies. These are supposed to be releasing in September. However, we might see these get pushed up. These might release next month, y'all. If I had to guess, I'm gonna say that these might release sometime in August. But outside of all that, very close looking shoe in the color, there actually is another shoe though, y'all, that is more similar to these than those midnight navies, y'all. Bang! The Jordan 1 high navy co JPs in the midnight navy colorway. Now this is more like it, in my opinion, y'all. Like, this is almost a spot on match, minus of course the metallic silver swoosh, and of course my yellowing kind of bubble plastic type of wings logo. Outside of those, y'all, identical. Definitely two identical looking shoes. We just cut the top off of one of them, but definitely a clean pair, man. I'm popping these out during the summer, but man, it's crazy how close these are to the Navy Co JP joints, man. But yeah, man, I just want to let y'all know I did get them, cop them. They in the collection. Do they come with any extra laces?
Nope.
No extra laces, man. But some midnight navy laces will go crazy on them. Some silver laces, some gray laces will go crazy on them. But comment down below, what are your thoughts on them? I think that these are super fly. Had to have them, man. Shout out to, like I said, MC Godson again. Appreciate you. I said MC EC. I'm freestyling, but appreciate you, my dog. Let's dive into the meat and potatoes, y'all. We have to talk about what Jordan Brand and Nike is doing, man. Outside of busting our heads, y'all, they are releasing a whole bunch of OG heat scheduled for 2025, and I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared to know what the price rollout will be for a lot of these upcoming shoes, y'all, because just like I said in the intro during that skit, the Jordan 1 Reimagined Breads that is set to be releasing in February around the All-Star weekend will be going for $250, y'all. Now, is this a deal breaker?
Nope.
Is this a deal breaker? Of course, it is a high 85, so it will not be like its previous version. Bang! The glittery, my glittery breads from 2016, y'all. They will come in a new cut, of course, the high 85 cut, which in my opinion is not even a quarter of an inch difference in height. It just looks like that, but when you put both shoes next to each other, they are pretty much almost the same height, y'all. But it will not look pretty much the same as this 2016 pair that I have. And I'm not gonna hold y'all, I wouldn't have been mad at another 2016 pair, but I'm not mad at the high 85. It's just that the high 85s, they kind of fit different when it comes to just the sizing and stuff of them. But hey, I'm glad we're getting breads again. This is my favorite shoe of all time, y'all. Definitely fire, definitely, you know, going crazy with the fit that I do have on. But yeah, outside of that, man, let me set those right there. Just leave them in the frame for a little bit. The high 85s will be retailing for $250, y'all. Now my question is, for $250, did I say 85? $250, will that shoe come with any added extras? Like, it has to come with some crazy special packaging. I don't know. I feel like they're gonna go all out. There's a reason behind them pricing that shoe at $250. I don't think they just said, hey, we're gonna do a price increase, etc., because we would be getting that alongside the whole board of Jordan 1s. Now, we have seen Jordan 1 high 85s retail for a retail price around $200. This is a $50 price increase, which makes it more than Foamposites. Foamposites retail at $240. Makes it more than Jordan 11s, holiday highs. More than those. Like, I'm trying to figure out what makes it priced at $250, and that will be all unveiled here soon. I'm sure that we'll see some early images in about 3 months, 3 to 2 months. We'll see some new things emerge, whether it is packaging, added accessories, dust bags. I need a dust, bro. I can't even tell you what I need for that added $50, y'all, but it gotta be something crazy, and I gotta be like, okay, that's worth it. I'm still copping, but you know, when I first talked about the high 85 breads and them releasing, I was like, that's a double up shoe for me.
Stop the cap.
Off the muscle. Off rip, I'm doubling up on those. Now I'm kind of like, $500 for 2 pairs of shoes? Yeah, damn. Oh no, bruh. Oh no. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, y'all, we will see what happens with those. Do you guys still think that this shoe will sell out at a $250 price point? It's just kind of hard to tell. Of course, it is a OG classic, the Jordan 1 bread, one of the most iconic colorways in sneakers of all time. So it's just one of them head scratches, y'all. But y'all comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and how you feel about this price increase when it comes to the Jordan 1 Reimagined breads that is set to be releasing in February of next year, man. But outside of all that, man, I got my lows in. It's a good day. I got a new pair of shoes, man. More vids, more good content coming to y'all this week. Make sure that notification bell is rung. The Wet Cement movie is on the way, so y'all stay tuned for that as well. But outside of that, y'all stay blessed. To the next one, your boy Jay is checking out. Grab that SP bag today. Don't wait, y'all. Grab it today. And yeah, man, travel the only way. But your boy Jay is going to the next one. Y'all stay blessed. I'm up out of here, man. Thumbs it up. Gone.